guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Hope everybody's doing good. Today we're going to be making salmon patties. I don't say salmon, it's salmon. Some people growing up, my mama called them salmon croquettes, some of them salmon balls. When I lived up north for 12 years, they called them fish patties, but they used mackerel. And it was okay, but it's the same thing. But anyway, what we're going to need is I have a can of the pink salmon. Before I get started, I want to invite you to take a look around. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And if you hit that bell notification, choose all and it'll notify you every time I upload a video, which I try to do at least one a week. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, juice and all, I'm going to pour this out right here. Canned salmon has bones in it. You can eat these bones. It's not going to hurt. Some people do. But some people really don't want to. Even though it's fish bones, they're really soft and disintegrate into everything. So I'm going to take these bones out. And I'm going to take the skin off. This is just a personal preference, a choice. If you want the bones, that's fine. If you want to leave the skin on, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with leaving the skin on. Those bones are so fine and they're soft. I can't explain them. See?
Hold on.
Sorry about that. Nikita wanted to jump off the couch. I don't know if y'all remember. She has back trouble. So Tony had to stop her and go get her. But here's the bones out of them. They're really small. And they disintegrate.
Ew!
Tony doesn't care for salmon patties. So he's eating sausage. Alright, let me go get a paper towel. We're actually having breakfast for supper. Break this up. I've also got a small onion that I chopped up. Have an onion in it. It's your choice. I should have grabbed a bell pepper and cut it up since I'm the only one eating it. And a jalapeno. But that's alright. Maybe next time. Alright. Put this onion in. Let me get a spoon because my hands are yucky.
Ew.
Add a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Be right back. Let me go cut this down before I start a fire. Alright, you're also going to need an egg. Now, if you watch me, you know I always break an egg into a separate bowl before I add it to anything. That way I don't have to worry about shells or anything weird coming out of the egg.
A brand new chicken.
Yep. Alright, at this time I'm going to add some flour. I'm going to start with probably almost half a cup. What you want it a little moist, but you don't want it totally dry. I've also got my iron skillet, cast iron skillet, on the stove with about 1/4 of an inch of oil heating up. You know, when you fry something, especially something wet or breaded, you want to make sure that the temperature of your oil is hot so it doesn't end up greasy. I'm going to add a little bit more flour. We're having grits and eggs and salmon patties and sausage patties. Any sausage left over, I think I'm gonna make biscuits and gravy tomorrow. As per usual, every Christmas, we have something happen. It never fails. Tony's truck is broke down. Hopefully, it's not too expensive, and hopefully he won't be home too long. Because he's got a maximum of 5 days home straight. Because he gets on my last nerve. Alright. This is mixed up pretty good. I'm going to walk over to the stove. And I'll meet you over there. We'll start these things frying up. Alright. I'm going to put a little test drop and see if it's hot enough. Oh yeah, it's ready. All I'm going to do is drop these 5 spoonfuls. Well, these will be a lot. I'll be eating on these 3 days. I love them though. Alright, I'm finished putting these in here. What you're going to do is leave these about 3 or 4 minutes per side and turn them over. And I will bring y'all back whenever I'm getting them all the last batch out. I got to get off here and make my grits and get everything else going. Be right back. Alright, and these are done. I got a lot of these bad boys going on. They look really crispy and look good. I can't wait to eat them. So, alright. I will bring y'all back whenever I get everything plated up. And see you shortly. Hey guys, we're back. We're back. It's time to eat. Breakfast for supper is ready. I've already got my eggs. Put some grits on here. I just made yellow grits. I didn't make blue or red. These are a little bit runny, but that's alright. Alright. Supper's ready. I hope y'all like it. Give me a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Don't forget, take a look around. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Share it out on your social media. See y'all next time. Bye.
And if she doesn't do it, I bet that's mine. Yeah. Maybe that too. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.